Welcome to Prevent Tutorials. This is Deepak. Today we are going to discuss how to find an angle between two intersecting lines which are not perpendicular lines. That means the two lines intersecting each other possess certain angles, okay, in between them, but they are not perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines means it becomes 90 degrees. That already you know. Okay. Here you can see two lines. This is line L1 and this is another line L2. You can observe that they are not perpendicular to each other. If they are perpendicular to each other, the angle between them will be 90 degrees. That you can easily recognize. Okay. But here it possesses certain angles. This is another angle 1. So take it as theta, and this will be 180 minus theta, because this is nothing but a straight angle and this is a linear plane. So if this is an angle theta, this will be 180 minus theta. Okay. Now we are going to find this acute angle. Okay. If this is found, naturally you can find the other angle. Okay. Now take this equation. Now the general form of this L1 will be A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. L2 A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of L2. Okay. Now how to find the angle between these two lines? We generally consider acute angle. After finding the acute angle, then we can automatically get the obtuse angle. Okay. So you get one acute angle and one obtuse angle if they are not perpendicular to each other. Okay. If they are perpendicular, both will be 90 degrees. If they are not perpendicular, then one will be an acute angle and the second angle must and should be an obtuse angle. Okay. So we take this angle as theta. Okay. We can find this angle in two different ways. The first one is by using cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 by square root of A1 square plus B1 square into square root of A2 square plus B2 square. Modulus. Why I am keeping modulus? Okay. This angle cannot be negative. Okay. So it should be positive. So I am keeping modulus. Suppose if you get a negative value, that can be converted into positive. Okay. Suppose if you take with respect to tan theta, then A1 B2 minus A2 B1 by A1 A2 plus B1 B2. So this is the formula for finding the angle between two intersecting lines whose equation is given. Okay. Suppose equation is not given, only slopes are given. Suppose equation is not given, only slopes are given. Here the slope of this line is m1 and the slope of this line is m2, or you can take that as m1, this as m2. Then how to find the angle between these two lines? First of all, we will take with respect to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by mod m1 plus 1 plus m1 m2. So this is the formula for finding the angle between two intersecting lines whose slopes are given. With respect to cos theta is equal to 1 plus m1 m2 by square root of 1 plus m1 square into 1 plus m2 square. So these are the formulas, okay, for finding the angle between, acute angle between two intersecting lines, okay, whose equation is given and equation is not given, slopes are given. Okay. Now we will take certain example how to apply this formula. Okay. Now let us see how to apply this formula and find the angle. So now we will take one example. L1 is equal to x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. L2 is equal to x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, we'll take these two equations. Here, first of all, we'll use cos theta. Cos theta. What is the formula? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 by square root of A1 square plus B1 square into square root of A2 square. That means in the square root it will be there. A2 square plus B2 square. Let us apply this formula and find the angle. Okay. So here what is A1? A1 is equal to 1. Okay. B1 is equal to minus 2. C1, okay, is ignored because it is not necessary for us. We need only A1, A1, B1, A2, B2. Okay. A2 is equal to 1. B2 is equal to 3. Okay. Now apply the formula. Cos theta is equal to A1, A2. A1, 1 into 1 plus B1, B2 minus 2 into 3 by square root of 1 square A1 square plus B1 square minus 2 whole square into square root of A2 square 1 square plus 3 square. That is equal to cos theta is equal to 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6 by square root of 1. 1 square is 1. 2 square minus 2 square is 4. Negative becomes positive. Okay. 1 plus 9. 1 square is 1. 3 square is 9. Close the module. That becomes 1 minus 6 is minus 5 by square root of 1 plus 4 is 5 into 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Okay. Now that becomes mod 5. Mod 5 minus 5 by, you can write this as 5 into 10, you can write it as 5 into 2. Isn't it? Close the module. Okay. We'll continue here. Okay. That is equal to cos theta is equal to minus 5 by square root of 5 square into 2. That becomes cos theta is equal to minus 5 by square root of 5 square into square root of 2. Here square and root gets cancelled. Okay. Okay. So naturally becomes cos theta is equal to minus 5 by 5 into root 2. 5 numerator 5 1 times. So that becomes cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Remove the modulus. That becomes cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So if you have any idea about trigonometry, what value of theta is equal to 1 by root 2? Yes. Theta, if theta is equal to 45 degrees, cos 45, you already know that cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. So here in place of theta we have to take 45 degrees. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by 2. So in place of theta 45 is there. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. So angle between two intersecting lines is 45 degrees with that given equation. Okay. Now we will take with respect to tan theta. With respect to tan theta. Let us see we will get the same angle or not. Tan theta is equal to A1 B2 minus A2 B1 by A1 A2 plus B1 B2. Isn't it? That is equal to, what is A1 B2? 1 A1 B2, 1 into 3 minus A2 B1, 1 into minus 2 by A1 into 1 into 1 plus B1 B2 minus 2 into 3. That is equal to 3 plus of minus is minus of minus is plus. 1 into 2 is 2. by 1 plus of minus is minus. 2 into 3 is 6. So tan theta is equal to 5 by minus 5. So tan theta is equal to mod 5 gets cancelled, that becomes mod minus 1. So tan theta is equal to 1. Remove the module, it will get 1. Okay. So what value of tan theta is equal to 1? Okay. In what is called as angles. Okay. What value of tan theta is equal to 1? So tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. We got the same angle. Either use cos theta or tan theta, we got the same angle. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. Next. Now using slopes. How to find the same angles using slopes? So we take M1. M1 is equal to minus A1 by B1. That is equal to minus 1 by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. M2 is equal to minus A2 by B2 minus 1 by 3. Now apply the formula for tan theta. Tan theta is equal to M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. That is equal to 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 3 by 1 plus M1 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. Isn't it? That is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Minus of minus is plus. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Plus of minus, here you will get minus. That is equal to minus 1 by 6. So that becomes, here denominator will be 6. 2 3s are 6. Cross multiply 3 plus 2 by, here 6 minus 1 by 6. 6 gets cancelled. So finally what you get? Tan theta is equal to 5 by minus 5. 1 times, that is equal to mod minus 1. So tan theta is equal to minus 1. So not minus 1, 1. If you remove the module, so theta is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. Hope you understood this. In the next section, we'll discuss how to derive all these formulas. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Premium Tutorials. Thank you.